What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Today we are here with the big box of booze. Tavour, who sent us a box a few months ago. I don't know if you saw that video. We unboxed all this lovely brouhaha that was sent to us, and today we're going to do the same thing. So again, linked in the description down below is the Tavour app that you can download on your phone to start the process of getting beers that you've never had delivered to your home. So the last one that we did, when we opened them, I hadn't seen a single beer that was in the lineup. Taya, did you see any?
I knew some of the distiller or the breweries.
She knew a couple breweries, but had never had any of the beers that we got. So for two people that have worked in the restaurant industry their whole lives, that's the cool thing about Tavour, is that you're gonna get stuff that you've never had. This is coming from all over the country, beers from everywhere. We're super stoked. This time, they asked if we wanted another care package, and I said of course. And it came to us lickety split. So I do believe their shipping stuff has probably been solved, their shipping problem, because the last one took a little while. This one was like super fast. They didn't even give me like a warning. It just showed up at the door. I wasn't even expecting it. So I am pumped to crank this thing open. I have no idea what's in here. It's a huge box. I'm not going to put it up here, so it will take up the entire camera. So, curated craft beer box. Super stoked to have this big box of beer for the holidays. That's the little note they left for us there. So they have over 600 independent brewers that they work with. They have a lot of cool stuff. So if you want to, make your own box, you can create your own box, or you can sign up to get like a monthly box kind of thing, which is, basically like a surprise box like what we have here. So I'm just going to randomly pull stuff out. This is the first one here. It is Block 15 Brewing Company. The Dortmunder Export. You got classic noble hops and rustic grist. Our Dortmunder Export gives equal voice to biscuit and honey malt flavor, balanced by floral, herbal, and delicately spicy hop profile. This is a pale lager, folks, so I think I'm really gonna enjoy this one. This sounds great. Biscuit, honey malt, pale lager. Yep, that's going in the fridge. So this one here is brewed in Corvallis, Oregon.
Cool. Never even heard
So that's where the first one is from, Oregon. All right. Next one, Anchorage Brewing Company. So my guess is this freaking beer
Alaska
came from Alaska, and this packaging is really cool. I enjoy that. This is called Patterns. It's 8.4% alcohol by volume. This is 1 pint. It's a double IPA. Sweet. Anchorage, Alaska. Awesome. That'll be my first Alaskan beer. How about you?
No, I've been to Alaska. So I've
Oh,
had
no,
a lot of
I've been
Alaska
to Alaska.
beer.
I'm better than you guys.
I am actually better than you, not for that reason.
Oh, that's true. Next up, we have the Levante Brewing Company. This is a Extra Tickle. Double IPA? DDH? What does that mean?
Double dry hopped. Knox is saying I'm right.
Is it? So this is a DDH IPA, which is a double dry hop IPA. Fantastic stuff here. So we got two different types of IPAs and a really nice pale lager so far. Levante Brewing Company is coming out of Westchester, Pennsylvania.
Whoa.
Pretty sweet. Next up. Oh my god. This looks so good. Where's the... Evil Twin Brewing Company.
I love
New
Evil
York
Twin.
City. So you've heard of these guys.
That's what I
Okay.
brewed.
That's what you brewed?
Yeah, it's like one of my favorite breweries.
Alright guys, so this is the Evil Twin Brewing Company, and this thing is crazy. This beer is called All I Want for Christmas is E.T. Stay Home. 21. I don't know what that part is for. And this is 7% alcohol by volume, 7.5% alcohol by volume. It's a sour ale with raspberry, mango, and white chocolate.
Oh, I want that.
What? That is crazy. So these guys are out of New York City, Evil Twin, right?
Yeah, they're his
New
brother
York City.
Is McKellar Brewing.
Yeah, that other one we got.
Yeah.
Did we get an Evil Twin the last time?
I don't think so. I think we just got the McKellar.
Evil Twin. We're hearing great stuff from Taya. I've never had one. She's never had this. Again, so all beers we've never had before.
Yeah.
But you want to take a look at that. Next up, look at how cute this damn little thing is. This is a Hoppin' Frog barrel age QORIS, the Quasher Quadruple Oatmeal Russian Imperial Stout. Stout aged in bourbon barrel. Stout aged in bourbon barrels. This thing is 15.7% alcohol. No wonder why this can is way smaller than the other cans. It's 8.45 ounces, this little guy. Whereas these other ones are like pints.
That's so cute.
Hoppin' Frog. I have a feeling we're going to get a few more wintry beers because this next one is one of them. Beer to drink when it's cold outside by the Westbrook Brewing Company. This is a dark lager, folks. Beer to drink when it's cold outside. Rich and roasty black lager brewed with spicy Saz hops. Oh. This is the Westbrook Brewing Company, Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. This is only 5.5% alcohol, so it's going to be like heavy tasting, but it's not going to have a huge kick to it. Boy, does that look good. It's beer number 5.
How many did they send you, no?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Looks like 14. Oh, yeah, this is right up my alley here. This is a proper Pilsner. Classic, crisp, floral. Super excited for this one. This one's 5.1%. This is a Migration Brewing Company. Migration Brewing Company. Yum, yum in my tum-tum. I love Pilsners. Lagers, Pilsners. That's my jam. So this is the only bottle in here. The cap looks really cool. There is a fish on it. So we love that here. And let's see what this is. Oh man. This artwork reminds me of the artwork used on the Beatles' Yellow Submarine. I don't know if you have seen that movie, but this is totally Yellow Submarine artwork. So this is Prairie Artisan Ales Barrel Aged Moose Boots. Barrel Aged Imperial Stout with maple syrup, toasted almonds, and vanilla.
Ooh.
Yum, yum.
Is Prairie out of Oregon too, I think?
It's not on here. This one doesn't have, like most of the stuff, you're going to have to take this and get back to us.
Okay.
Oh, where did I say the proper Pilsner? The proper Pilsner is from Portland, Oregon.
Oklahoma. I knew it started with an O.
So Prairie Artisan Ales is from Oklahoma. Have you had a Prairie Ale before?
I have, I can't remember which one.
It's another one of Tay's had the company but never had that. Alright guys, here we have Magnify Seltzer Works. This looks like it's going to be right up my alley because it's pineapple cream pie. So it looks like pineapple and coconut. That is my jam, dude. I love pineapple coconut. I'm not a seltzer guy, but you know, when it comes to cocktails, a pina colada made with fine ingredients is right up my alley. This is coming from Fairfield, New Jersey, so I'm excited for this one. That looks dope. That's Tiki AF, ladies and gents. Tiki AF, and we love Tiki over here. The next beer we have is another one that Tay is going to be really pumped about because it is another evil twin. Ooh. And this one is the Christmas Snow Salad, folks. The Christmas Snow Salad. So there's 1 pint here, 6.5 alcohol by volume. Christmas style sour ale with pineapple, red cherry, pecans, walnuts, and milk sugar. Keep refrigerated and drink fresh. Holy
should have that tonight.
Crap.
For dessert.
That's so cool. So that's another one from New York City, guys. Guys, we got another Evil Twin beer. Taya seems to know a lot about these guys and absolutely loves them. This one here is the Double Dipped Chocolate Cinnamon Cherry. It's 1 pint. This is an Imperial Stout with chocolate cherry and a touch of cinnamon. Wow. All right, the next one. Attention please. Attention please. This is the Bearded Iris Brewing in Nashville, Tennessee.
I love that.
Attention please. Double IPA. That is cool.
Yeah.
Thoughtfully brewed and canned. So that's another IPA we got. 3 more beers. This is the Noon Whistle Don't Worry Be Gummy Hazy IPA. 6.8% alcohol. This is Noon Whistle Brewing Company in Lombard, Illinois, in Naperville, Illinois. I love the can on this one. It's cool.
Yeah.
It's a double dry hopped mosaic citra, some other thing I don't know. All right, Riot Juice. Gotta love Riot Juice. Hidden Spring Ale Works puts this out. It's a Berliner style Weiss Ale with blackberry, lime, vanilla, and milk sugar. Riot freaking Juice. This is coming from Tampa, Florida.
Whoa.
I love the artwork on this.
Yeah.
Really, really cool. Last but not least.
This is right up my alley. This is going to be like sour and light. And yeah, I'm going to drink this.
Last but not least, we have Slow It Up Oak Aged Pilsner. I absolutely love the artwork on this.
Yeah, it's cute.
So cool. Slow It Up Oak Aged Pilsner by Modest Brewing Company, Minneapolis, Minnesota. So it's a Pilsner with Bohemian Pilsner malt, North Star Pilsner malt, hopped with Hull Melon, Triple Pearl, and Cryo Citra, then aged in our oak boaters. Modest Brewing Company. Yummy. So we are stoked about this package. I'm really pumped about this.
I don't know who's more excited.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we unboxed this box you just watched 2 days ago, and we have tried a beer each day. The first night, for dessert, just like Taya said, we had the Christmas Snow Salad by Evil Twin Brewing Company, and it was phenomenal. I'm not usually into beers like that, sour beers, but this was perfectly balanced. Everything, you could tell all the ingredients were, real. Everything they used, there was no artificial flavors. It was so good. So very good. I want to learn how they make that beer. The beer we had yesterday was the Imperial Stout, the quadruple bad boy 15% alcohol Imperial Oatmeal Stout by Hoppin' Frog. And that was also really good, really heavy. Tay and I split that beer. We split both beers, but we split that beer, and that was enough for me. So for it to come in that small can is perfect because, that's a lot of beer in a tiny can. It's a lot of beer. So that's that. We're going to get into more of these beers. If you follow us on Instagram, I'll probably be posting about some of these beers. If you're interested in how they were, once I try them, I'll be, taking pictures and maybe giving a little, thumbs up or thumbs down to the beer. So on that note, thank you all for tuning in. We will catch you tomorrow. Fish on.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.